Hello everyone, I Dr. Varun Kumar, faculty of MBA from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on functions of SEBI. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. The functions of SEBI we can understand by SEBI Act 1992. SEBI primarily has three major functions: protective, regulatory and development. We will discuss one by one. The first one is protective functions. As the name of suggests, these functions are performed by SEBI to protect the interest of investors and other financial participants. It includes the following functions like checking price rigging, prevent insider trading, promote fair practices, create awareness among investors, prohibit fraudulent and unfair trade practices. Now we will discuss regulatory function. These functions are basically performed to keep a check on the functioning of the business in the financial market. These functions include: first, designing guidelines and code of conduct for the proper functioning of financial intermediary and corporate. Second one, regulation of takeover of companies. Third one, conducting inquiries and audit of exchange. Fourth one, registration of brokers, sub-brokers, merchant banker, etc. Next, levying of fees. Next, performing and exercising powers. Next, register and regulate credit rating agencies. Now we will discuss development function of SEBI. SEBI performs certain development functions also that include, but they are not limited to, imparting training to intermediary, promotion of fair trading and reduction of malpractices, carry out research work, encouraging self-regulating organizations, buy-sell mutual funds directly from AMC through a broker. Now we will discuss organizational structure of SEBI. The SEBI board consists of 9 members. One chairman appointed by the Government of India, 2 members who are officers from Union Finance Ministry, 1 member from Reserve Bank of India, and last 5 members appointed by the Union Government of India. I hope you understand the topic of functions of SEBI. Thank you very much.